So I need these to be yellower. Yeah, grammar 101, right? Real English language. So you need the heat gun. You need this great yellow film over here. A couple other little things. And I actually put the yellow fogs in here, but I didn't go with LED like a dummy. I should have, and it's just not bright enough. I want it to really pop. So you know what? Let me just finish this. I don't know. Yeah, no, it did make a difference. You know what? The camera just doesn't show it. Yeah, it made a difference. Yeah, definitely. Definitely made a difference on that. Remember, there is yellow bulbs in there. So we got yellow bulbs. Now I got the yellow film for the fogs. You got to do the heat gun. This one, I got to admit, this film was really easy to do. Usually I F this up. I'm not even going to lie because, you know. This one, really good. Actually a pretty big roll. So I'll do other cars just because. But I will say that, you know, when you do the yellow LEDs, it does make a difference. One of the cool things about this is during the day, you'll see the yellow film on there. I'm actually waiting on the S4, what do you call it? S4 grills. So, you know what? It's all going to work out. Cars just about there? Yeah. Got the V6 badges on there, just like the V8. You know, these wheels, they go on the, you know, the A4 sedans in like 2002. I think, did I have these on there? Yeah, I don't remember. But yeah, these are 16s, which is kind of funny. It doesn't look so bad on this car. Yeah, I know you want to go out. I know. Yep, V6 bed. You know what? I'm done. Did the glove box. Glove box needed a LED in there, and I also did the LED in the trunk. We're ready to roll. We are ready to roll. So that's it. Oh yeah, by the way, the link is in the description for the Amazon. Click on it. Yeah, definitely buy this. I definitely recommend it. I definitely recommend these. Yeah. Meow. All right. What are you crying about? Hey, let's go. Yeah, I know.